GN 3180, Notice of Voter Ineligibility, whenever someone is adjudicated by a court to be ineligible to vote.
Counsel, perhaps this information is relevant if we get to the balancing test. But if we don't, it doesn't matter, right? I mean, people who make public records requests, they can have wonderful motives, they can have terrible motives, they can have everything in between, but the law doesn't really care, for the most part, what their motives are, and that's not really an issue. And I suppose when we get to whether there's a problem here, that maybe the public interest would be served by that.
So the function of this document, the Notice of Voter Eligibility, is relevant to the court's decision. You'd want to know, okay, this document, how is it produced? How is it delivered? How is it read? How is it put in the Wisconsin Voter Alliance, Wisconsin database, the WisVote database? That's really important in order to address the statutory interpretive questions.
But that's not what you're telling us. What you are trying, I'm afraid, what it sounds to me like what you are trying to do is to introduce the fear that there is some sort of illegitimacy going on in the elections in the state of Wisconsin. And that concerns me deeply.